So the Cartesian plane, it's not very hard. It's just pairs of numbers on a graph. For example, this is a pair of number, 1, 3. Now, how does the Cartesian plane help us show 1, 3? Well, first we draw the plane. So this is how you draw a plane. And there's two axes, x and y. Don't worry about that for now. Let's just know that x is across or y is up. So this first number over here is how far across we go. The second number is up. A nice way to remember that, that I find handy, is that you have to run before you leap. So if you imagine this guy running, he's going across, and then he jumps. Yee! And then he jumps. So that's how you know the first number goes across and the second number goes up. So I'll show you this here. So if we go 1 across, I think this is about 1. I could make 1 over here, I could make 1 anywhere, but I'm going to make that about 1. And I'd like to make this about 3. So we go 1 across and then 3 up. This point would be 1, 3. And that is our Cartesian plane. So I'm going to put the word example up here. Example. Okay, sweet. So we're going to put a few other points. Please label the following. Okay, so I want you guys to try putting up this number. 2. Let's try 2, 2. Where would that number go? So just imagine it over here. We're trying to go 2 across, 1, 2, and then we're going to go 2 up. So this point over here would be 2, 2. And it doesn't end there. We can add negative numbers, negative 3, 1. We could have 2 negative numbers, negative 1, negative 1. All of these we can just place on the thing, on the graph. And so I should probably tell you which way is positive now. Forwards is positive, this way is positive. And upwards is positive. This way is negative and this way is negative. So where do you think negative 3, 1 is? That's right. We go backwards 3. 1, 2, 3. So we've gone backwards 3 because that's the first number, negative 3. And then the second number tells us how far up or down to go. So it'd be up here. We go up 1. This would be our point. Negative 3, 1. Okay? You see that? And negative 1, negative 1. We'd go backwards negative 1 first. So negative 1, then we go down because that's in the negative direction, negative 1. So this point over here would be negative 1, 1. And that's how you label points. So I'm going to move on to midpoints and distances now. Maybe I'll separate into another video.